The 1.8 TFSI comes in three variants: 120 horsepower, 160 horsepower, and 170 horsepower. Pros: fuel efficiency, one of the most fuel-efficient options in the A4 lineup. Great for city driving. Lower maintenance costs. Less powerful engines generally mean lower repair costs. Smooth daily driver, offers a comfortable and smooth ride without excessive power. Cons: less power, not the most exciting engine for those who enjoy spirited driving. Lower resale value. In the used car market, lower-powered models may not hold their value as well. Things to pay attention to. Turbo issues. These engines can sometimes face issues with the turbocharger, so make sure it's been well maintained. Cost of repair. Replacing the turbocharger may cost between $400 to $700. Timing chain. Check the timing chain condition, as it can wear out earlier than expected, causing costly repairs. Cost of repair. Replacing the timing chain can cost around $350 to $700. The 2-liter TFSI comes with 180 horsepower, 211 horsepower, and 225 horsepower options. Pros: balanced performance. Offers a great combination of power and fuel efficiency, making it one of the most popular choices. Great resale value. Higher powered versions like the 211 and 225 horsepower are in demand, holding value better in the used car market. Upgrade potential. Plenty of tuning options for those who want to extract even more performance. Cons: turbocharged engine. Can experience turbocharger wear and potential carbon buildup in intake valves. Cost of repair. Turbo replacement may cost around $400 to $700. Fuel economy drop. Higher powered versions may consume more fuel than the 1.8 TFSI. Things to pay attention to. Turbocharger and carbon buildup. Make sure the turbocharger is running smoothly and that the intake valves aren't clogged with carbon. Regular maintenance is key. Cost of repair. Cleaning the intake valves typically costs $100 to $200. Cooling system. Overheating can be an issue with higher powered engines, so check the cooling system thoroughly. Cost of repair. Replacing the water pump can cost around $150 to $300. The 3-liter TFSI comes with 272 horsepower and 333 horsepower, S4. Pros: powerful and refined, offers a perfect blend of luxury and performance. Smooth acceleration and plenty of torque. Comfortable and quiet, the 3-liter TFSI engine provides a quiet and refined ride, perfect for long drives. Great for highway driving, lots of power for cruising at higher speeds. Cons: higher maintenance costs. V6 engines generally come with higher maintenance and repair costs. Fuel consumption. While not terrible, fuel consumption is higher than the smaller TFSI options. Things to pay attention to. Oil consumption. Some owners report excessive oil consumption in the 3-liter TFSI engine, so keep an eye on oil levels. Cost of repair. Excessive oil consumption may require a piston ring replacement or an engine rebuild, costing around $500 to $1,000. Timing chains. Timing chain issues can occur, especially in models with high mileage, so ensure it's been regularly checked and replaced if needed. Cost of repair. Replacing the timing chain can cost $500 to $1,000. The 3.2 TFSI comes with 265 horsepower. Pros: naturally aspirated, no turbo lag and consistent power delivery. Ideal for those who prefer a smooth, linear power band. Refined driving experience. The 3.2 TFSI is known for a smooth and refined driving experience, perfect for everyday use or long drives. Cons: older technology. The 3.2 TFSI engine isn't as modern or efficient as the newer turbocharged options. Higher maintenance costs. Being an older design, parts for the 3.2 TFSI can be more expensive to replace. Things to pay attention to. Carbon buildup. Like other naturally aspirated engines, the 3.2 TFSI can suffer from carbon buildup over time. Regular cleaning can help. Cost of repair. Carbon cleaning costs $100 to $200. Fuel economy. While the 3.2 TFSI is more efficient than some larger engines, it still isn't as efficient as the turbocharged versions. The 4.2 TFSI in the RS4 comes with 450 horsepower. Pros: unmatched performance. With 450 horsepower, this engine delivers phenomenal power, acceleration, and handling. Iconic RS model, the RS4 is a standout in the A4 lineup, providing an exhilarating driving experience with track-ready performance. Sound, the 4.2 TFSI V8 engine sounds incredible, offering a deep, throaty growl that enthusiasts love. Cons: expensive maintenance. With high performance comes high maintenance. Repairs and parts for the RS4 are costly. Cost of repair: the RS4 can require frequent suspension and brake replacements, which may cost $300 to $700 per repair. Fuel consumption: the 4.2 TFSI is thirsty, with significant fuel consumption, especially in city driving. Things to pay attention to: high maintenance costs. Ensure the car has been well maintained. RS4 models can be expensive to maintain as they age. Cost of repair: frequent maintenance can lead to high costs. Expect $1,000 plus for repairs every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Suspension and brake wear: the high-performance nature of the RS4 means suspension and brakes wear out faster than in lower models, so be prepared for frequent replacements. Cost of repair: replacing the suspension and brakes can cost around $700 to $1,500. To summarize, 1.8 TFSI, best for those who want efficiency and low maintenance costs but aren't looking for a performance boost. Cost to fix common issues: turbocharger replacement $400 to $700, timing chain $350 to $700. 2-liter TFSI, a great all-rounder, offering balance between power and fuel economy. Opt for higher power variants if you want more excitement. Cost to fix common issues: turbocharger $400 to $700, carbon cleaning $100 to $200, cooling system repair $150 to $300. 3-liter TFSI, ideal for those who want a luxurious driving experience with plenty of power, though be mindful of oil consumption and maintenance costs. Cost to fix common issues: oil consumption issues $500 to $1,000, timing chain $500 to $1,000. 3.2 TFSI, a smooth, naturally aspirated engine for those who appreciate a linear power delivery but with higher maintenance costs. Cost to fix common issues: carbon cleaning $100 to $200. 4.2 TFSI, RS4, a thrilling powerhouse for those seeking unmatched performance and handling, but expect high maintenance and fuel costs. Cost to fix common issues: suspension and brake repairs $300 to $1,500, frequent high-performance maintenance $1,000 plus.